We had a chart of accounts in accounting that was unusable, and we now have something we can actually work with on the reporting side. It's made a big difference. We had gone through the same selection process several years ago, selected a different vendor, tried to go through the ERP implementation, and failed miserably. So this time we were extremely cautious on who we selected, and which vendor we selected was critical. We could have selected the right software, but if we couldn't get it installed, it was useless to us. And we needed somebody that would get the project through the gate and actually go live with the software. The greatest benefit from using RKL was to get somebody that we could trust. We actually knew that they would deliver on what they told us, and they did. My favorite part of working with RKL through this whole process has been being able to pick up the phone and simply call them when we had a question, and I knew I could get an honest answer. I'd recommend them because RKL can deliver the product and support you all along the way.